बनारसी प्योर हैंडलूम दुपियन रॉ सिल्क साड़ी, fully meena weaved, beautiful deepest shade of green with purple border, silk mark certified. The rich pallu with the blouse plain with border. The look of the sari. बनारसी प्योर हैंडलूम दुपियन रॉ सिल्क साड़ी, सिल्क मार्क सर्टिफाइड. Beautiful meenakari all over the body. See green body with the rani pink blouse, deep rani pink blouse. The rich pallu with the blouse with border. Whole sari will have these motifs of antique zari kadwa weaving. The lovely border. This is the look of the sari. Banarsi pure handloom dupiyan raw silk sari, silk marked certified, weaved in pure antique zari with meenakari weaving of 3 shades, red, green and pink. You can see the quality of the sari with the kadwa weaved buttas all over. The contrast blouse in coffeeish wine shade. The rich pallu. The look of the sari. Very beautiful shade. Banarsi pure handloom dupiyan raw silk sari, silk marked certified. Extremely beautiful shade. Very beautiful yellow. You can see the texture of the color and the fabric. Very beautiful with antique zari woven. 3 colors meena are used. Pink, green and red. With the full kadwa weaving. The look of the sari with the pallu, rich pallu, and this comes the blouse piece. Silk marked certified. Banarsi pure handloom dupiyan raw silk sari, silk marked certified, weaved in meena border. The beautiful purple color with yellow border. This is the pallu portion and blouse is plain with border. Fully antique zari weaving with meenakari. This is the look of the sari. Banarsi pure handloom dupiyan raw silk sari, silk mark certified, weaved in meena. Beautiful meenakari border, black with bright yellow combination. This is gold. The beautiful blouse in contrast, same as the sari border, and this is the whole look of the sari. Banarsi pure handloom dupiyan raw silk sari, silk marked certified, beautiful bright pink with green combination. The beautiful pallu and the blouse piece in green color, contrast dye. It's the look of the sari. Banarsi pure dupiyan raw silk sari, extremely beautiful pastel shade. This is something like strawberry pink shade. This is come the pallu portion. Beautiful sober color with garnet color blouse. This is the garnet color blouse. Same border on the blouse also. This look of the sari. Banarsi pure handloom dupiyan raw silk sari, meenakari border and big buttas all over. This is the look of the sari. Pallu portion. This is the pallu portion. Whole sari have this look. Blouse is in contrast. This is the back side of the blouse. Same border as the sari. This is the same border. Color is this. This is the look. Banarsi pure handloom dupiyan raw silk sari, silk marked certified with meenakari. This is the look of the sari. Beautiful pallu portion, fully meena weaved. Blouse is in turquoise color The same border on the sari, you can see the same border on the blouse also. This is the contrast blouse with the same border, and this is the look of the whole sari. Royal blue with turquoise blouse. Banarsi pure handloom Dupin raw silk, extremely beautiful sari. Can be dyed in any color. Pallu portion. This is the blouse piece. This is bright pink color. It's coming like reddish pink, but it's bright pink color. Yeah, this is the combination. This is the look of the sari. Banarsi pure Dupin raw silk sari, dyed on customer's order. Beautiful combination. Pallu portion. This is the BP. Same as the border color. This is the whole sari look. The look of the sari. Banarsi pure handloom raw Dupin silk sari, silk mark certified with meenakari border and pallu. This is the look of the sari. The pallu portion. The beautiful blouse in contrast. This is the blouse color and look of the whole sari. Banarsi pure handloom Dupin raw silk sari, black, deep black with firoza combination, silk mark certified with meenakari border. The look of the sari. This is the BP, plain with border, and this will be the look of the sari. Banarsi pure handloom Tussar raw silk sari, silk mark certified. This is light grey color with wine, pinkish wine blouse. Upper and lower both borders will be same in Lehriya pattern with the rich pallu, and this comes the blouse piece. Whole sari from starting to end have these kadwa weaved booties. Banarsi pure handloom Tussar raw silk sarees, silk marked certified, weaved in Lehriya design. Upper and lower both borders are same. You can see beautiful sari with the rich pallu, and this comes the blouse piece. Ready to ship, silk marked certified. Extremely beautiful combination of Banarasi Dupin raw silk sari weaved in pure antique zari. Deep green color with deep magenta blouse. Borderless patterns. Upper and lower both borders are same with the rich pallu in antique zari. Whole sari from starting to end have these bootas, and in the border and booties fully kadwa woven. This is the blouse piece. This is the look of the whole sari. Banarsi pure handloom Dupin raw silk sari, silk marked certified, weaved in pure antique zari with Lehriya pattern. This is coffee with red blouse, deep coffee color. Lehriya pattern weaving with the rich pallu. Half sari is in booties. You can see half sari is in booties and half sari is in Lehriya pattern. It's the look of the sari. Banarsi pure handloom Tussar raw silk sari, silk marked certified. This is baby pink color with coffee combination. Very beautiful, simple, sober sari with antique zari, pure antique zari weaving. Upper and lower both borders are same. You can see upper and lower both borders are same. This is the rich pallu with the blouse piece in coffee shade, and this is the silk mark certification. Banarsi pure handloom Tussar raw silk sari, silk marked certified, weaved in pure Lehriya design and antique zari woven. This is the look of the sari. Beautiful Lehriya design. Upper and lower both borders are same with the kadwa woven booties with the rich pallu. This is deep black color with the red blouse, blood red blouse. The whole look of the Banarsi pure handloom Dupin raw silk sari, silk marked certified. This is light brown with coffee color blouse. Very beautiful garnet blouse. Lehriya pattern weaving in antique zari. The rich pallu, half sari is in booties and half sari is in Lehriya pattern. These booties half sari and half sari is in Lehriya pattern. This is the look of the sari. Banarsi pure handloom Dupin raw silk sari, silk marked certified. This is maroon with light brown color blouse. Very beautiful combination. Lehriya pattern sari, borderless. with the rich pallu. Half sari is in booties till pleats and half is in lehriya pattern. This is the combination. Banarsi pure handloom Dupian raw silk sari, silk marked certified, weaved in pure antique zari with the blouse in self. The rich look of the sari and trendy also. The rich pallu. Whole sari from starting to end have these motifs with the blouse. Same border. Silk marked certified. Banarsi pure handloom Dupian raw silk sari, silk marked certified, weaved in pure antique zari. This is the blouse piece, black with green combination. Full antique zari woven. You can see. This is fully lehriya pattern with the rich pallu. This is the rich pallu, and whole sari from starting to end will have this lehriya pattern. This lehriya pattern will come in the weaving. And this is the blouse piece. Banarsi pure handloom Dupian raw silk sari, silk marked certified, weaved in pure antique zari, green with red combination. Fully lehriya pattern weaved with the rich pallu. This comes the rich pallu with the whole sari in lehriya pattern. This is the pattern of the sari with the blouse. Can be customized in any color of your choice also. Banarsi pure handloom Dupian raw silk sari, silk marked certified. This is bright purple with Rani pink combination. Fully lehriya pattern weaved. With the border, upper and lower both borders will be same. Full sari have this lehriya pattern with this blouse. Banarsi pure handloom Dupian raw silk sari, royal blue color with Rani pink blouse, beautiful combination. Fully antique zari woven in lehriya pattern. Starting to end you will get this lehriya with the upper and lower both borders will be same in the sari. See, this is the look of the sari with the blouse, and this is the silk mark.